Today I'm sharing a super fun way to make a rain cloud in a jar. All you need is a clear glass jar, water, shaving cream, and some blue food coloring. Get started by filling a jar about an inch of the way from the top with some water. Then squirt some shaving cream into the top of the jar, letting it float on the water. It's okay if the shaving cream cloud billows above the top of the jar a little bit too. Now carefully drip some drops of blue food coloring onto the top of the cloud of shaving cream. After a few seconds, the blue food coloring will soak into the shaving cream cloud and then start to rain into the water below. The big fluffy cloud of shaving cream became heavy and saturated with water droplets. And as the cloud got heavier and heavier with moisture, the bigger water droplets moved to the bottom of the cloud and fell out of the cloud. This is the same process that creates rain outside too. The little water droplets that form inside a cloud will grow bigger and bigger until they are too heavy to stay in the cloud and will fall to the ground as rain. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps us out and we really appreciate it.